Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a C57 well drilling contractor license in California. So before you apply, make sure you meet the basic requirements and you must be at least 18 years old and you have 4 years of journeyman level experience in well drilling. So this means that you can perform the work without any supervision and you are no longer considered a trainee or apprentice. You will also need a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number. Next, complete the state application and submit it to the contractor state license board. And once your application is processed, you will receive instructions for scheduling your exams, and you may also need to complete fingerprinting and provide additional documents. And you must pass 2 multiple choice exams, the law and business exam and the C57 trade exam. So after passing both, submit the final paperwork required by the licensing board, and once everything is approved, you will receive your contractor license number. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.